Hello there. Now, in kinematics, you'll come across a few equations. Okay, we'll start off by first finding out the acceleration. Now we know that the acceleration a is the rate of change of velocity, which can be written as the final velocity minus the initial velocity, that's the change, over time t. Okay, so this is the acceleration. Rearranging this will give us v equals u plus a t. Okay. Now, um, we have other equations where suppose displacement is average velocity into time. So this can be written as s equals u plus v over 2, that's the average, into time t. Okay, so we're giving us meters and displacement in meters. Now, that is v equals u plus o1, that's equation 1, and this is equation 2. Okay, now we have another third equation, which is that s equals ut plus half at squared. I'm not giving you the proof of these equations, I'm just telling you to learn them. This equation does not have velocity in it, so that's when you can exclude velocity, final velocity. And you have another one, which is that v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Here, time is excluded. Okay, so that's how you find it out. Um, and one last one, though, infrequently used, would be that s equals vt minus half at squared. That will be equation 5. So, yeah. Now, you need to learn these equations. They're pretty important. However, these equations only apply when the acceleration is uniform. That's when you can relate into kinematics. When the acceleration is uniform, you cannot use these equations. Okay. Another thing is that you can use these equations to find out the missing information without needing the whole information. As an example, I was showing, um, suppose you're given the final velocity, the initial velocity, and the acceleration, where you're required to find out the displacement s and don't have the time. You can directly use equation 4, which is v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So as you know, that these equations are flexible and you can use them depending. All right. I hope this made you know the equations necessary to use kinematics whenever needed. Thank you.